This is an 8-inch Inset Halogen Taxiway Edge Light, and in this video we will delve into its components and design features. In our previous video we explored the Elevated Taxiway Edge Light. Today our journey brings us closer to the ground as we delve into the world of the Inset or In-Pavement Taxiway Edge Light. These lights emit medium-intensity blue light in all directions and are strategically positioned along taxiway edges and apron edges, as well as in other vital areas such as runway turning pads and helipads. While most taxiway edge lights are elevated to safeguard against damage or prevent accidental wheel contact and mitigate potential damage from jet blasts, particularly in areas like taxiways crossing behind runway ends or runway turn pads, Inset Taxiway Edge Lights are employed. Unlike their elevated counterparts, Inset Taxiway Edge Lights are embedded within the pavement itself. But before we explore the technical characteristics of each component, let's familiarize ourselves with the names of the major components. It consists of the body, silicone prism gasket, prism, Teflon, dichroic filter, cable sub-assembly, equipment cover, cover gasket, pre-focused halogen dichroic reflector lamp, and the optical support. The top cover body, or dome, is made of anodized tempered aluminium alloy casting and is designed to withstand aircraft impact and rollover loads without damage. It features a central cavity where the lens is seated with the aid of a silicone prism gasket. The dome is equipped with 2 through holes for fastening the light unit to the base. Additionally, there are 2 dead holes to match the 2 studs mounted on the base. We will discuss the base in more detail later. This is done to prevent the rotation of the light unit due to aircraft wheel impact or rollover. 2 suitable slots are positioned opposite each other along the circumference, enabling the easy removal of the fixture using either 2 fitting tools or 2 screwdrivers. The silicone prism gasket. This gasket serves 2 primary purposes. It shields the prism lens from direct contact with the dome and ensures the light fitting remains watertight. The prism lens is crafted from a clear transparent material reinforced to withstand operational stresses. At its center lies a cone-shaped cavity where the deflector is seated. The deflector, which has a mirror surface, plays a vital role in the light emission process. It reflects and diffuses the light emitted by the lamp in multiple directions. When light rays from the lamp strike the shiny surface of the cone, they undergo a 90-degree turn due to the cone's shape, scattering in various directions. This scattering effect ensures that the emitted light does not travel solely upwards, but also sideways, covering a 360-degree angle and making the light omnidirectional. Blue dichroic or interference filter. The light source for this light fixture is the halogen lamp. Since halogen lamps cannot naturally produce blue light, a blue dichroic filter is utilized to imbue the light with its distinctive blue hue. These filters function by selectively transmitting blue light while reflecting or absorbing other wavelengths. When light rays from the halogen lamp pass through the filter, only blue light is permitted to pass through, while other colors are blocked or absorbed. As a result, the transmitted light acquires a blue tint. This selective transmission is achieved through the filter's design, which leverages the varying absorption and reflection properties of different wavelengths of light. This blue dichroic filter has a transmission factor of 0.04. The optical support. This houses the blue dichroic filter, ensuring its stability and protection. To prevent cracking, 2 rubber filter protection gaskets, one on each side, shield the Dichroic filter. Further security is provided by the Prism protective plate made of Teflon, which firmly holds the filter in place. The optical support is then fastened to the dome using 6 bolts, ensuring that both the Prism Lens and Dichroic filter remain securely in place without movement. Additionally, at the back side of the optical support, there is a slot designed to secure and hold the halogen lamp firmly in place. The pre-focused halogen Dichroic reflector lamp. This is a type of incandescent lamp that uses a halogen gas mixture to increase its efficiency and lifespan. This lamp consists of a tungsten filament enclosed in a transparent quartz or high-temperature glass envelope filled with halogen gas. This lamp is pre-focused because the lamp is designed in such a way that the filament is positioned at the focal point of the reflector, which helps to direct the light in a specific direction, creating a more focused or directional beam of light. A dichroic reflector is utilized instead of an aluminium reflector because a dichroic reflector allows for more efficient heat management, unlike aluminium reflectors, which tend to direct a significant portion of the heat generated by the lamp upward. Dichroic reflectors are designed to reduce heat transfer away from the light beam. This feature helps minimize the amount of heat transferred to the blue dichroic filter and the prism lens. Additionally, dichroic reflectors also offer better color rendering and light transmission compared to aluminium filters. The housing or the equipment cover. This is made of aluminium alloy casting, and it features a groove on its top surface where a specially designed cover gasket is positioned. This gasket serves the crucial function of maintaining the watertight integrity of the light fixture, preventing water ingress. On the underside of the cover there are 2 ports, one for the valve used in water tightness tests and the other for the cable sub-assembly plug. To secure the cover to the dome, 2 bolts are used. The shallow base is one of the 2 methods for installing inset lights, the other being the deep base. While the deep base accommodates inset light installation by housing the isolation transformer and primary circuit passage, the shallow base employs a different approach. In this method, the isolation transformer and primary circuit remain within a pit at the edge while the light is powered through a secondary cable. Constructed from treated aluminium casting, the shallow base features a bottom hole suitable for conduit connection. For installation, a hole is drilled into the pavement, and the shallow base is secured in place by cementing it using epoxy resin. In our upcoming video, we'll redirect our attention to the LED inset or recessed taxiway edge light fixture.